So if this is a swimming date, I can't help you. So first I'm taking a blurring primer. Doesn't matter which one you use because pretty much all of them do the same thing. Basically what it does is it makes your skin look abnormally smooth underneath your makeup. I even put this on my eyelids. I don't really know why. I kind of just put it everywhere. Is it weird? My nose hurts because I've popped the pores. So the makeup you wear on a first date, it kind of just depends on the type of person you are. On any first date, you want to start off with a good base. If you have good skin already, I mean, you already have a good base. But I don't. I'm very pink in the face, even though the rest of my body literally has like no color, because I also have no blood flow. My mom's alarm is going off downstairs, and it just stopped. And I'm pretty sure she snoozed it. And she has to drive me to school. I did a whole vampire tutorial and completely forgot to drink the blood. I kind of want to taste it now. Is that bad? Should I do that? Okay, this is actually really good. I expected that to taste like medicine. Now for concealer, I wouldn't go too crazy. I'm going with a concealer that's like the same shade as my skin. It's the Infallible Pro Glow. Not my favorite concealer, but it's the only concealer that I have that actually matches my skin tone right now. So you should always like set your face because you don't want that makeup to move around, and depending on what your date is wearing, you don't want to like give them a hug and then like your face be on their shirt. Now we need to get our eyebrows on fleek. I'm filling in mine like I normally do on a normal day. Next you just want to snatch your cheekbones. Now with any first date, you kind of want to show off your natural beauty, because if they can't accept the way you look normally, they can't see you when you're on your best game. Because makeup is fun. Yes, makeup is very fun, but it's also there just to enhance your natural features. Except in my eyebrows case, because they needed all the help they could get. For eyeshadow, of course, you want to go for more of the natural color. So honestly, I don't. But I do have a contour kit, and it still works. Blend it right into your crease. Now, if you're an eyeliner person, you can put on eyeliner. If you've never put on eyeliner before, I wouldn't consider doing it. I'm just popping on my favorite mascara. And now to top off the look, some lip gloss. Because you never know, there's gonna be some smooching at the end. Now this is a good look. I'm not too ugly. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, comment down below if you're excited for Halloween week or Halloween, because I'm uploading a lot. Make sure to go check me out on Instagram at Meganalicols. But anyways, I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.